one of the cases, this is a nearly a 200,000 people bank, and across its various locations and branches and so on, the bank had a lot of VPN, network security, device security, network security infrastructure, right, of different kinds. And when we engaged with the bank, we realized that the reason that this network security infrastructure was put in place many years ago was essentially to enable secure transfer of data between different branches and different locations. And with data-centric security, and we were very lucky to be a part of that whole initiative. With data-centric security, the bank was, over a period of time, able to completely dismantle its VPN and infrastructure, saving millions of dollars, actually tens of millions of dollars in cost and administrative overheads every year. Another example, and then I know we're at the top of the half an hour slot, but another example is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world is able to collaborate with testing labs, certification agencies across the world without doing very expensive vendor audits, right? Security audits, privacy audits, which on an average, this company was collaborating with about 2,000 suppliers, right, which had access to patent information, drug testing results, and so on. And each of these is very confidential pieces of information, because if a drug is discovered as toxic in the I think it's called the layer 6 testing results, like, which is at the final stages. If it is discovered, then that information could be changing the stock movement of the company if it is a publicly listed company, right, and so on. So with Seclore, this collaboration with an extended set of suppliers and partners was eased, and the cost of these vendor audits, security and privacy audits, and these vendors are spread across the globe, came down by 2 factors, right? So instead of spending $100 now, there's the company spending $1 to achieve the same levels of security or higher levels of security and privacy as compared to what was being done earlier, right? And so we have hundreds of stories, and we are very lucky to be a part of these cloud adoption, digital transformation initiatives for some of the largest companies in the world.